Hey guys, what's up? We're back with some more traffic lights fun. So here we are at A135 Yarm Road and the Avenue and Station Road near Eagles Cliff train station. This is called Actis. It's a Pedex crossing in Stockton on Tees. Amber, red, green. It's called, the control box called is Yutraffic. The control box, it controls the traffic light here. It's near the Eagles Cliff train station. Nobody there. Amber, red. This traffic light, it was installed in, I think it's installed in September 2025. It's 7 months ago. And they start the roadworks on Monday the 21st of July 2025. It's 9 months ago. Vehicle there. Eagles Cliff train station. Amber, red, green. Near the Teesside High School. Amber, green. Amber, red. Green. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe to my channel. I will see you again with another video. Bye. Let's see this.